What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar, and we are talking about Keeta today, KTA USD. It is the 23rd day of June, and it's been a little while since I made a video on Keeta. The last video I made was on the 9th of June. Here, things are a little bit more exciting. Here we are at 14.7 cents, 10 hours, 23 minutes left in the day. Hit that like button, subscribe. Thank you all for being here, and let's get into it. On this day, we were talking about, the title of that video was Keeta Ask Partnership, ASK Ask. It's a company, investment firm or something. I forget what it is, but it's a significant thing, allegedly. You know, it was a partnership that was made publicly, and it was Keeta Ask Partnership, Do Not FOMO. That was the title that I had. So the idea there in that video was clearly stated that we should not get excited. If partnering with Visa didn't send us through the moon, partnering with Ask, whose valuation or overall net worth is dramatically lower than Visa's, access to capital is dramatically lower than Visa's, we shouldn't get excited for Ask. Okay? The same thought here, the same thought here, the same thought here. Every single time that we're at these highs, literally basically at the tip, I said, get out. It's a great time to sell. This is not a good time to buy. Stay away. Maybe we go higher. And it's still, the point's only further driven. It's a terrible time to buy. Get out. Go away. We're not thinking about buying Keeta until it's below 10 cents. At least I'm not. I say we. I just mean me and any person who's rationally minded. We're probably not buying until below 10 cents. And even then, it's completely possible that KTA goes far below that. Somebody asked me to talk about Keeta on Dex Screener because it's got the all-time history. And I don't remember 100%, but I believe they were asking with a tone of like, are you even aware that there's all-time history on Dex Screener? Dude, I bought this thing. I bought KTA before any of the price action was shown here on TradingView. Yes, I'm aware that the all-time history. yes, I'm aware. 100% I am, yeah. I bought this before it was on any kind of exchange, anywhere. I forget who it was that recommended it. Shout out to, was it like Devin? Dustin? Andrew. I think it was Andrew something. Andrew something. Shout out to Andrew something. Market cap 83. This is the one, yeah. Low market cap, by the way. Super low market cap. I mean, don't get me wrong, guys. 14.7 cents is a cheap price for Keeta. It really is. It's going to get cheaper. It's going to get much cheaper if you're just patient, okay? Bear market lows are not found at rational lows. They're irrational lows. Same thing with bull market highs. They're not rational highs. Irrational. Imagine selling now. You're getting out. $3,000. Dude needs to make a payment on something. Okay, KTA. Yeah, so here's your all-time history. Okay, we're finding support now in this last consolidation range. It's possible, this is where I got tied up, it's possible, completely acceptable, if KTA drops down to 1.6 cents. Or if it drops down to 2.6 cents, somewhere in this area that we found resistance before. It's possible that it could go lower. I don't think it will, personally, but it could. Could. It's possible. You go to this low here, that's 9.3 cents there, just below 10 cents. I mean, that makes sense to me as far as support goes. KTA's been moving sideways for a solid bit. We moved sideways here. Whenever we dropped, did we drop a significant amount? No, not really. I mean, yes. Percentage-wise, I don't think anybody was happy with a 37% drop. From the current price, I don't imagine anybody would be happy with another 37% drop. But still, the point being that it doesn't need to drop all the way down here for it to be the bear market low. I think we're closer to the low than we are. You know, I don't think this is where we're going to go, but we could. You never know. And the other thing is, even though, yes, this gives us some, I wouldn't say hidden. It's not hidden, but some exposure to the historical price action that we might not have with this chart. I would still believe that the market makers are trading based off of this chart, based off of this all-time history on TradingView. You take the low here to the high here, you're finding support at the golden ratio. You found resistance at the 1270. You found resistance here. Found support at the 1414. You found resistance in the golden ratio. There's significance on this chart. And maybe it should be, maybe it's this low. Maybe I should take this low. Hold on. Low there. To the high there. Come on, there we go. It's still respected. It's still respected. It's just different. I don't know which one to take. I feel more comfortable taking this one, to be fair. And if we are to go lower, being that we've already found support at the 1886 area, my suspicion is that we would go below the 1886 200 area. We go down to the 2272 2618. That could be as low as 4.4 cents to 7 cents. Maybe we do find support right there below 10 cents. Maybe this fib extension doesn't matter at all. Maybe we find support right there at that 9 to 10 cent area. Maybe we go all the way down to 7 cents to 4 cents. I don't know. All I know is I want to buy KTA. I want to DCA into KTA, just not at these levels. Go down. Entice me a little bit more. Get below 10 cents. You start getting below 10 cents, I'll buy. You pump from there, cool, that's great. Maybe I'll buy more. Maybe I'll wait. We go lower, oh, I'm going to buy more. And then we're in this kind of long-term consolidation phase where the bear market's over and now we're just kind of messing around. Oh, we went below 10 cents again, I'm going to buy again. And now we're up here and it's looking like we're going to break out. Okay, I might just buy, I might send the rest of my money in here. Maybe I'll send it in here or here. Maybe I can't hold myself back and I'll just dump it all right there at 9.5 cents. I don't know. All I know is I'm not buying any until we get below 10 cents, and then I'm going to systematically DCA below that buying point every single time that I can. And if I see any kind of possibility or thing in the charts that suggests that we're going to go higher, that we're going to break out, 14 cents is still a cheap price to buy. 30 cents is still a cheap price to buy. We're talking about something that will be worth tens, 20s, $100 or more. Okay? I mean, I genuinely believe this thing has a solid chance of reaching a $100 price in the next bull market. Which is crazy being at 14. It sounds crazy, I know, but man, I've never seen a crypto partner with Visa. Partnerships don't mean anything, but I've never seen a crypto partner with Visa. There's always exceptions to the rule. This thing is going to be a titan of industry in the next cycle, and I really do believe, from here, we're going to see new all-time highs. And even at that, 14.7 cents, imagine you buy below 10 cents. Imagine you get it right there at 10 cents. And this thing goes above its all-time highs. What, you think we're going to stop at $1.80? We're probably going to go above $2. $2 from 10 cents, that's a 20x. And it likely doesn't stop there. Likely we're going to see, again, tens of dollars or more. I mean, this thing is 100x potential written all over it, even at the current price, let alone below 10 cents. So, again, go down. I get an opportunity to buy, I DCA, I throw it in, you never see it again, you just start pumping, okay, cool, well, hopefully I'll be able to buy, even at 30 cents, it's still cheap, it's still super cheap, so plenty of time, no need to be anxious, be patient, hit that like button, subscribe, you know what, actually, we didn't even do TA, I just did a thought, well, the reason why is because I've already given my TA, right, time and time again, nothing's changed really on the charts. 1 hour time frame looks like it wants to go down. 4 hour time frame. It kind of looks bullish here, kind of, but I'm not impressed. Stochastics look bearish. MACD looks bearish, so down. Daily time frame neutral on the RSI as the prices. Stochastics are oversold. MACD is not going to be helpful in choppy sideways zones, so there's really no TA to go over here. What happens if I'm calling for prices below 10 cents and then we wake up tomorrow and it's back up at 22.8 cents, 23 cents, it's at 25 cents? What happens? Just like these last two highs, just like this high here, I'm going to tell you, get out. Don't FOMO. It's a great time to sell. That's all. Hit the like button, subscribe. Thank you all for being here. Soon enough, lower prices. I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.